So Jolene, RideTheWindEbikes. We're not in our showroom, we're at the headquarters of Ecolo. And this is a fantastic video to do. Who doesn't love comparisons? Because when you're looking at the ET4 LS and the Galaxy with a roof, there's a $200 difference between the two of them. There's so many similarities, but yet there's so many differences. So I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna go over that with you. Because let's just go through all the similarities. They are both 60 volt systems with 20 amp lead acid batteries. So you're gonna get the same distance, a little bit of a power difference, but I'll get into that. So that's pretty similar. They have same width, same tires. They've got 3x10 tubeless tires, front wheel disc, rear drum. They both have radio systems. They both have dynamic braking. They both have adjustable seats, so they recline. But the difference, actually, I'm going to show you, is that when you recline with the Galaxy, it brings your tail box with you. And when you recline the LS, it's completely separate. So that's kind of cool. Anti-roll, they both have dynamic braking, which I found very interesting because I originally thought that one of them didn't, but they don't. So dynamic braking is when you let off the throttle, it has a motor brake, so it brings you to a stop naturally, but they also have hand brakes if you want to come to a stop a little bit quicker than that system. So that's like, look how similar they are. But we're going to talk about what makes the Galaxy the Cadillac. First of all, I like that the handlebars do not hit the screen or the windshield. It does on the LS. However, Michelle has told us that this is one of the best sellers by far. And maybe it's just people like more of the clean look. Like this looks like it was made to have a windshield on it where you can see that the Galaxy you can have with or without. So I think maybe it's just aesthetics look. But the Galaxy is upgraded in a lot of ways. It has a 1,000 watt motor. This one has a 600 watt motor. This one has a top speed of about 22. This has a top speed of almost 30, just a FYI there. The radio is better. Definitely has like some kind of subwoofer or something. Like you are having music in the whole neighborhood when you drive with this thing on blast if you want. The screen, that's gonna be up to you whether you think that's an upgrade or not. I do like the way that the buttons are placed on these ones much better. But the roof is removable on this one. I think that's a bonus. And it has more support to it. There's actually like a bar coming at the top here. Not that you carry anything on there, but it's got a little bit more support, where this one doesn't. You can see what's supporting this is the front windshield and then your brackets back here. So this is not supported. Small detail, but something you should know. This seat is more, let's just lift this up so you can actually see. We'll use the word better. This is a better seat on the Galaxy. It's got more support, but you know, when you come to RideTheWindEbikes, we've got these in the showroom, so you can sit on this one, you can sit on this one, and that'll be up to you which one feels better for you, because even this one is quote unquote better and more an expensive component, it might not work for you. The lights are a big deal on this one. Honestly, no doubt. If you come to the back here, you can, oh, I do like the light on the side here though. Oh, this has LED here. This is LED here, but it's not LED in the center. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, check out the lights behind here. And I'll put the hazards on both of them. Yeah, you can just see, right? Now, here is another reason why the Cadillac or the Galaxy gets a definite, if you're going to need to put your unit into neutral and drive a lot, here's what you need to do with this one. You gotta get down on your knees and you gotta do that. So that just put it into drive. I'm just gonna put it back into neutral. It's a little bit stiff, but look at this guy. Drive, neutral, drive, neutral. I love that. I love that a lot. Foot spacing's about the same. Yeah, so I hope this helps just give an exact side by side of these two units that are so darn similar. Oh, here's another little thing. I know it's small, but you gotta come over here. And they both have alarm systems, but even the keys are nicer. Look. Look at the keys. Look at the keys on this one, right? And the keys on the LX. Again, small difference, just pointing it out since this is a comparison video. This is your typical charging port cover. Nothing wrong with it, right? But on here, this is more protection. So this you push, there we go. So just, you know, you can get water. If people drive their unit all year round, you definitely want to have this protected from the elements since that is your charging port. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Let us know if you have any questions.